This is the story of Anansi and the wedding cake. Long time ago in the cool hills of Mandeville, the town was buzzing. People were sweeping their yards, cooking curry goat and hanging up bunting on the street light. Miss Gerty, the nicest lady we owned the Sweet Things Bakery. She finally agreed to marry Farmer Joe, the strongest man in Manchester Parish. Me not lie, the man coulda lift 2 cow and a wheelbarrow same time and still have breast fi sing 3 little birds. Everybody get invite. Even Miss Gerty's cat, Coconut, and him walk round with bow tie like him is VIP. But Anansi, him de home in a hammock when him hear the news from Miss Jippy Lizard. Gerty a get married this Saturday. The whole town de go, Anansi said. Me, neva get invite. This must be a mistake, says Anansi. Miss Jippy rub her chin. Me hear them say you always bring mischief, and them no want you trick up the ceremony. Anansi jump up. So me bring 1 Likkle pepper in a the wedding punch one time, and all a sudden me a villain? Look here, Jippy, me not miss that wedding, especially not when me hear say. Him lean in close, them having a triple layer chocolate rum-soaked buttercream wedding cake. Imported cocoa, homemade frosting, a whole top layer juice fi cake lovers. Jippy blink. You can't go if you na invite. Anansi grin. Who sent me a go as Anansi? When the day of the wedding come, Mandeville Square nice up. Everybody dress fancy. Music a play from 1 DJ go up on the sound system. 1 love, 1 cake. Let's get it sliced together. But guess who show up dressed like 1 old-time bishop? No Anansi. Blessings, children, him say in deep voice. Me de here fi deliver the holy wedding blessing. The gatekeeper mongoose squint him eye. Something suspicious about you, but blessings is blessings. Guan true. Anansi wobble and like him have arthritis, but once inside, zoom, straight to the cake table. The cake stand tall like Mandeville clock tower. Shiny, frosted, glorious. Cake topper a spin slowly like it know it's special. Anansi whisper, me wait me whole life fight this moment. Him pull out a tiny fork from him sleeve. Raise it up. Freeze. Anansi. The whole crowd turn round. Music scratch off. Even the cake look like it gasped. It was Granny Nanny Goat. She marched cross the hall in a pink heels and point her horn. Me knew you couldn't resist. Is every wedding you try eat off the food? Anansi smiled sheepishly. Me never did a go eat all of it. Me did a go sample fi safety. What if the cake did too sweet fi the baby goat then? Mayor Lion step forward. Anansi, you crash 5 wedding now. 1 more prank and we ban you from cake for life. Everybody start whisper. But then Miss Gerty herself walk over. She left up the bottom layer of the cake. Inside was a whole second cake shaped like Anansi face. She laugh. Anansi, me neva invite you cause me know you woulda sneak in anyway. So me bake you 1 special cake layer. Anansi eyes shine. Fi real? She nod. You a trouble. But wedding science sweet without you. The party bus turn up from there. The dance kick off proper. Anansi bust some dance move named Spider Skank. The donkey do the electric slide. And Granny Nanny Goat even DJ 1 freestyle. Me name is Goat. Me say it loud. Me horn will sharp. Me no follow crowd. But fi cake and dance. Me move proud. In a Mandeville town where we party proud. And the cake? Oh yes, it did taste like sunshine and happiness have picnic in a chocolate. And that is all for now. Until next time, walk good. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you soon.